Hi students, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. Already we started integers. In session 1 already explained to you properties of integers. I'm going to session 2. In this session 2 I want to explain you adding of negative numbers, subtracting of negative numbers and multiplications of negative numbers. Sum of two positive numbers is always positive. Example, plus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 5. Like that, product of two positive numbers is always positive. For example, plus 2 into plus 3. Already we know that symbols, multiplication of symbols, plus into plus, plus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. And same way, sum of two negative numbers is always negative. For example, minus 3 plus minus 4. Here if you observe that 3 is negative, 4 also negative, but both are adding. So here negative 3, here negative 4. That is nothing but negative 7. And same way, product of two negative numbers is always positive. Okay, product of two negative numbers always positive, sum of two negative numbers always negative. For example, so I'm taking same example, minus 3, product means multiplication, into minus 4. We know the symbols, multiply the symbols, minus into minus, plus 3 4s are 12. So this is very important difference between sum and product. Sum of two negative numbers always negative, product of two negative numbers always positive. Now I'm explaining you sum and product of negative numbers on number line. What is number line? Number line is nothing but a line, but we know that every line having infinite points. We have infinite points on a line, but on number line every point considered as a number. Suppose if you take one point considered as 0, from 0 to right side all numbers having positive, from 0 to left side all numbers are negative. For example, after 0 first point considered as 1 means plus 1, and second point considered as plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 means each and every point considered as a number. And 0 to left side negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here each and every point considered as a negative numbers. This is the property of number line. Now how to add some positive numbers. I'm taking positive numbers, plus 2 and plus 3 on number line. How to add? Draw a line and mark it as 0. Here no negative numbers, so that we no need to plot the negative numbers. So start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Randomly I'm written here 7 numbers. Now what is the first number? Plus 2. Where is plus 2 on number line? Yes, here it is. Now we have to start from here. Here to left side or right side, that is depend on the sign. Here positive, already explained the positive numbers, we have to go in right side. So from 0 to right, how many steps we have to move? 3 steps from 2 onwards. So 1 first step, 2 second step, 3 third step. Where have to stop here? 5. So that plus 2 plus addition means plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 5. From we have to start from 2 to how many steps should move, that is depend on the second number. Again I'm explain another example. 2, we can say any number, for example plus 4 and plus 3. Again draw a number line. Here if you observe, both are positive, so that I am taking only right side numbers. How many? 6, 5, 6, 7, like that. Now we have to start from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have to start from 4. 4 to right side or left side? Right side, because here is plus. So how many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So we have to stop here. We are stopping on number 7. So plus 3 plus 4 is nothing but plus 7. Now here I am taking only positive numbers. Now I am explaining you how to add the numbers, negative numbers on number line. Now I am explaining you add means sum, adding of 2 negative numbers on number line. Same way, draw a number line. Now if you observe that both are negative, so that negative side and means left side, we have to mark the point on left side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that. So here important thing is 0 to left side, because here is negative, both are negative number. Now what is the first number? Minus 3. Where it is? Yes, here it is. From minus 3 to where have to go, right or left? That is depend on the second number. Second number is also negative. So I explained you here negative means should go left side from the 0. So now here left side from the 0, left side from 3. So 1, how many steps? Only 2 steps. 1, 2. So that where you have to stop here? Minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Here important thing is maximum students are having doubt and confused about this. Sum of two negative numbers always negative, but students will do mistake always. Minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 5. It is wrong answer. So minus 5 is the correct answer. So think about this carefully. And one more example. Can you give one example? Minus 1 and minus 5. Now draw a number line. 0 minus from left side, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now where you have to start? What is the first number here? Minus 1. So start from minus 1. We should move to right side or left side? Left side, because negative. How many steps? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For your understanding, I am keeping here arrow marks. It indicates the directions, left side or right side. So where you have to stop here? Finally we stopped on number 6. So that minus 1 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 6. So this is sum of 2 negative numbers on number line. Now I am going to explain another third model is 1 positive number and 1 negative number. Sum of, okay, sum of plus 3 and minus 2. So draw a number line. Now here we need to take negative number, positive number, so that just to have to mark it 0. What is the positive? 1, 2, 3, right? Right. Big number is plus 3. So I am marking up to 3. Now start from 3. Now here is negative 2. Negative 2 means come back from 3. 1, 2. So where you have to stop here? So therefore sum of plus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to how much it were? 1. 1 is positive, negative. Here is plus 1. So plus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 1. I'm going to another example. Now example 2, sum of plus 2 and minus 5 on number line. So draw a number line. So 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Here I am taking negative numbers and positive because two are negative. One is positive, another one is negative. So I am taking both the positive and negative. Now we have to start from 2. Plus 2 means from it is there in right side of 0. From 2 to left side or right side? Left side, depend on the sign. So how many steps? 5. I'm starting from 2. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 steps completed. After completion of 5 steps, we have to stay here. We have to stand on minus 3. So that plus 2 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So this is the easiest method to adding the sum of positive numbers and negative numbers. Now I'm taking another example. Suppose for example 2 are negative, sum of minus 3 and minus 6. Then in this case, how to add the numbers on number line? So both are negative, so I'm taking more negative numbers on number line. So minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9 and take minus 10 also. So we have to start from minus 3. So I'm starting with negative. How many steps, right or left? So left side because negative. So minus 1 means how many steps? 6 steps. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now where you have to stop here? So minus 3 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 9. So this is the sum of two negative numbers, always negative, and the sum of one positive one negative is always depend on the big number. Here big number is 2 and 5, big number is 5, 5 is negative, so the sum or resultant always depend on the sign of big number. So here is minus 5 plus 2, so answer is minus 5. But here the sum of two negative numbers always negative. Okay, right. Okay students, today we learned about the sum of two positive numbers and one positive one negative, and sum of two positive numbers on number line. So you also try, I hope you everyone understand. So you also try to take some examples and practice it. Thank you.